Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Nintendo Switch step by step clearly. Begin by taking the Nintendo Switch console out of the box. Make sure you have the dock, the Joy-Con controllers, and the power adapter ready. Place the dock in a well-ventilated area near your TV. Connect the power adapter to the dock and plug it into an electrical outlet. Next, connect the HDMI cable from the dock to your TV. Open the back cover of the dock to access the connections. Plug one end of the HDMI cable into the HDMI out port on the dock. Insert the Nintendo Switch into the dock, ensuring it sits securely. Turn on your TV and switch to the HDMI input that the Switch is connected to. Power on the Nintendo Switch by pressing the power button located on the top of the console. You will see the Nintendo logo, followed by the main menu. If you haven't set up your console before, choose your preferred language from the list. Follow the prompts to connect to your Wi-Fi network by selecting your network and entering the password. Once connected, the system may download any available updates. Allow it to complete this process. After the updates, choose your user settings and create a user profile. You can customize your profile with an icon and a nickname if you wish. Now, let's sync the Joy-Con controllers. Take the Joy-Con controllers out of the Joy-Con grip or detach them from the console. Locate the small circular button on the side of each Joy-Con. Press and hold this button until the LED lights begin to blink. Your console will recognize the Joy-Cons and sync them automatically. Once synced, you can attach the Joy-Cons back to the console or use them wirelessly. Next, select a game cartridge or download a game from the eShop to start playing. To download a game, navigate to the Nintendo eShop from the main menu. If you have an account, log in with your credentials. Browse or search for your desired game and follow the prompts to download. Once downloaded, return to the main menu to start your game. Finally, adjust your settings such as screen brightness and volume as needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.